Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming hardware and network. Check the TV's input type and make sure your phone supports HDMI out, MHL, or wireless casting. If not, get the correct adapter. Once done, plug the adapter into your phone and connect an HDMI cable to the TV, or power up your Chromecast and open the Google Home app. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable and both devices are on the same network, because that enables discovery and a seamless handoff for the mirroring process. You now perform the actual join. For a wired link, switch the TV to the HDMI input you used and accept any on-screen permission prompts on your phone. The image should appear within seconds. For wireless, tap cast or screen mirroring in phone settings, select your TV or Chromecast device and confirm pairing codes if prompted. Once connected, make sure to change the TV resolution or phone display settings if elements look off. This balances performance and clarity, depending on your network or cable quality. You finish by closing cleanly and verifying reliability. When done, stop casting from your phone or disconnect the HDMI adapter before removing cables to avoid glitches. If the connection drops or won't start, make sure the TV firmware and phone OS are updated. Outdated software often blocks casting. As a primary troubleshooting step, reboot the router, TV, and phone. That refreshes network discovery. If wired video is unstable, swap HDMI cables or try another.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.